finding the large number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. So previous method we checked just only finding a one rational number or two or three between. So there is also one of the lengthy process, and they're asking like 5, 7, any big number like large number of rational numbers. One of the simple and easy method I'll show you now. If you want to insert exactly 5 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 7 by 8, the first step we should take the denominators and find out LCM. Okay, LCM of 4 comma 8. So take the denominators and find out the LCM. And 4 comma 8 LCM is 4 comma 8. LCM find out. 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 1 2. So 2 1 1. LCM is this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So LCM is equals to 8 now, right? So we should make the denominators must be 8. So 3 by 4 and 7 by 8. Already 7 by 8, 8 is the LCM. There is the denominator. And similarly we need to this also 3 by 4 multiply with 2 by 2 because 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So 6 by 8 and 7 by 8. This is exactly equal to 3 by 4 and 7 by 8. Okay, this is step 1. First step is take the denominators and find out the LCM, and denominators must be the equal to the LCM. So same denominators it must be. Now to insert 5 rational numbers between them. So the question is 6 divided by 8 and 7 divided by 8. If you want insert 5 rational numbers exactly, so 5 plus 1, because we need to insert 5 rational numbers, right? So 5 plus 1 we need to add. So should multiply and divide with 6 for the both numerators and denominators. Now multiply with 5 plus 1, that means with the 6, both numerators and denominators. You can need to increase the denominator. Between 6 by 8, 7 by 8, you can't say directly. So with the 6 you multiply and divide. With 6 by 6, changing the color for you. 6 by 6 and same 6 divided by 6. Why only 6 means we need to insert 5 rational numbers, right? So extra 1 you take. So I'll show this why. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Now multiply with 6 by 6. Now it becomes, you can observe, 6 into 6 is 36 and 8 into 6. Okay, it's 48, right? And 7 into 6, just only normal multiplication. So 42. 8 into 6 is 48. Now between 36 by 48 and 42 by 48, we can write the numbers. So required numbers between them. So required rational numbers between. So required rational numbers are 37 by 48, 38 by 48 till 41 by 48 we can write. 39 by 48, 40 by 48, 41 by 48. Yes, so 1 2 3 4, that's it. So accurately we are getting right 1 2 3 4 5. Between 36 by 48 and 42 by 48 directly we can take. No need of doing adding and divide by 2 or a plus c by b plus d formula. Instead of that, directly these are the required numbers, between them 5. Right, let us see one more example, get more clear idea. Here is the question. Insert 7 rational numbers between 5 by 6 and 7 by 9. So the first step is LCM of denominators 6 comma 9. So take 6 9 and find out LCM. 3 table, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 2 3 no common factors. So directly LCM is equals to 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6 and 6 into 3 is 18. 18 is LCM, right? So we can make the denominators as 18 now. Question is 5 by 6 and 7 by 9. To make it as denominator 18, you should multiply 3 by 3 this, should multiply 2 by 2 this. Same, whatever number you multiplied, same number should divide. Value does not change. So this becomes 5 into 3. 15 by 18, 7 into 2. So 14 by 18. So given numbers we converted in this order. So these two, 15 by 18 and 14 by 18. Now we need to insert 7 rational numbers. So because of 7 rational number, what we should do? Multiply just both 7 plus 1, 8. So just only multiply with 8 by 8. So if you can do with 8 by 8, these two numbers, you can find out the 7 rational numbers between them. Extra 1 you should take always to get accurately. Right? Let us take and check it out. Into 8 by 8. 15 by 18. 14 by 18. Next, what we should do? Multiply with 8 by 8, comma, same 8 divided by 8. Let's simplify this. 15 into 8. That is 120, right? Yeah, 120 divided by 18, 8, 0, 64, 4, 144. Comma, and 14 into 8, 112. 112 by 144. So between 112, 120, 120 to 112. Okay, less also we can take. So therefore required numbers. So we need to find out 7 rational numbers. So required numbers are 120 to less it is decreasing. So 119 by 144 and 118 by 144, same 117 by 144, 116 by 144, 115 by 144, 113 by 144 and 112. Only 112 is there. Sorry, 114 is missed. 114, 113 by 144. So these are the 7 rational numbers between them. Okay, this is the simple and easy technique. Just only first make the denominators with the same number, like taking the LCM, and just multiply and divide with that how many rational numbers are required plus 1. Okay, we'll get this. So you can do in this way. So these are the topics from this chapter 1. So just you can go through clearly one by one.